Welcome to Eric Blackmon Music.
Hi, and welcome to Eric Blackmon Guitar. The first chord of a major key is major. The fourth and fifth chords are also major. And many popular artists use the 1, 4, and 5 chords of major keys to compose their songs. In this video, I will show you how I use the circle of fifths to figure out what the 1, 4, and 5 majors will be in any key, whether the key is natural, sharp, or flat. The guitar is tuned standard E-A-D-G-B-E. And first, let's take a look at the circle of fifths. Now, when you're looking at the circle of fifths, notes that move to the right are fifths. Notes that move to the left are fourths. So if we pick a note, say C, the note to the left of C will be its fourth, and the note to the right of C will be its fifth. So those notes are C, and to the left of C is F, and to the right of C is G. So our 1, 4, and 5 chords are C, F, and G. And you can play those chords in any order and they'll sound okay. Say if we start with the F first. C and G. Then go back to C. Let's pick another note. Let's go with G. So we've got a G major chord. And the note to the left of G is C. That's our fourth. The note to the right of G is D. So now we have 1, 4, and 5 of the key of G major. We can play it this way. Or we can play it backwards and get Sweet Home Alabama. You can play those chords in endless combinations to come up with cool musical ideas. Let's go with E, E major. So if we've got E, to the left of E would be A, which is the fourth. To the right of E is B, which would be its fifth. So we've got E, A, B. Now say we wanted to go to a flat key, like A flat. A flat is here, and that's an F form up at the 4th fret. Now if we choose A flat, we'll go to the left on the circle and we'll have D flat, which is here. That's our 4 chord. We'll move to the right and we see E flat, which is here. So our 1, A flat, D flat, E flat. 1, 4, and 5. So you can see by using this method, you can figure out what the 1, 4, and 5 major chords would be in any key that you chose. Well, folks, that's it for now. Thanks for stopping by, and have a great day.